Hi, my name is Benjamin Yelverton, and today I'm going to be talking about vitamin D. Vitamin D regulates calcium and phosphate, and I chose to research vitamin D because it's shown to help fight COVID-19, which is very important. The roles of vitamin D in the body are to help regulate the amount of calcium and phosphate in the body. Vitamin D is needed to keep bones, teeth, and muscles healthy. It plays roles in insulin production and immune function, and a deficiency can lead to bone deformities such as rickets and osteomalacia. So it plays a lot of parts in the body. Very important. The RDA for children under 1 year old is 400 IU. RDA for ages 1 to 70 is 600 IU. So it doesn't really change much. And then RDA for ages 70 plus are 800 IU, and the RDA for pregnant women is 1,000 to 2,000 IU. So generally, most people are going to be in the 600 IU range, unless you're pregnant or old. So to be considered nutrient deficient, you will have to have less than 30 nanomoles per liter or 12 nanograms per milliliter. And symptoms of nutrient deficiency include fatigue, bone pain, muscle weakness, muscle aches, muscle cramps, and mood changes such as depression. And the name for it is called hypovitaminosis D. So as you can see, it's a lot in the muscles. So if you want to keep your muscles healthy, it'd be a good idea to keep a lot of vitamin D on you. Food sources to get a good amount of vitamin D. It's a canned sockeye salmon at 716 IU, a cooked and farmed rainbow trout at 648 IU, a cooked Chinook salmon at 580 IU, a cooked swordfish at 564 IU, a smoked mixed species of sturgeon at 548 IU, a canned pink salmon at 492 IU, and then cod liver with fish oil at 452 IU, then a cooked sockeye salmon at 444 IU, mixed species of sturgeon at 440 IU, and then smoked mixed species of whitefish. So as you can see, fish, fish. Mostly salmon and sturgeon, but mostly salmon. It's a very good source. Some new and interesting research on vitamin D would be that more than 80% of 200 patients hospitalized with COVID-19 were vitamin D deficient. And in a Spanish study, 50 patients were given prescription vitamin D and only one needed ICU and zero died, whereas of the 26 patients that didn't receive it, 13 needed ICU and 2 died. So pretty much what this means is that vitamin D is one of the most important things that you can have in your body during this whole pandemic that's going on, because the immune functions that it helps with and all that is really, really helping defend what COVID-19 is doing to the body. So, and these are just my references. Thank you.